Riders. MC, Georgie, Danny, Matt, Michael, Seb, Josh, Just, Send it, Dimple, Gimpy, Ruya, and more. Kenilworth, Roller, Danga, Mary Valley.
If you go to San Francisco, be sure to wear some flowers in your hair. If you go to San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle people there.
Kylie, Coxie, Todd, Darby, Jesse, Basil, Brendan, MZ on a trailer.
We went for a ride with Josh from MVDBR, which is Mary Valley Dirt Bike Riders, and he took us out on some pretty hectic trails. I flipped my bike into many of trees. Alan, did you have any carnage? Not really, you did quite well.
No, I'm not a mad dog child like you.
I'm just keen. I just want to perfect my riding.
Flip your bike into trees.
So it was lots of fun. Check it out. We went with a heap of mates, heap of good mates. Follow his channel, give him a like and a bell click, and watch the rest of his videos. He's got some cool Africa Twin videos there too.
Yeah, that Africa Twin is sick.
I'm actually surprised that he can make it up those hills that we made it up, because they're pretty hectic. It's pretty crazy. Anyway.
That's because he's Africa Twin guy.
Yeah,
he's not human.
He's a nutbag. Anyway, check it out.